doesn't even need the scissors. He can talk your ears off.
We're gonna play now.
It's fancy music everywhere, heard throughout the land. But here to there, none can compare to Hee Haw's all jug band.
Some folks read our music with something less than cheers. But when we say we're finished, that's music to their ears.
From here to there, none can compare to Hee Haw's all jug band.
We're through playing now.
Maynard, come in here, will you?
What?
Come in here, please.
Maynard.
I want to ask you a question.
Well, now, wait a minute. Now, this isn't fair, Mr. Gordon. I haven't studied or anything.
No, relax, Maynard. I want you to tell me what happened to our candy display.
Why, it's easy, Mr. Gordon. That's all in my tum-tum.
Just as I thought. Young man, you're eating up my profits.
No, I'm not, sir. No, I am not. I am not. All I ate was the candy.
You're going to pay for it. Every cent of that candy, you're going to pay for it. You ate it, you'll pay for it.
Okay, Mr. Gordon. Here's the money.
Okay, thank you. Hey, wait a minute. This is only $10. You ate $20 worth of candy.
Well, not really, Mr. Gordon. You see, before I started eating the candy, I put it on sale at half price. Come on, Chicky, let's go.
Here's my pal, Buck Owens.